Hey lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Okelgene Debbie and Rega, head artist at Glam by Debbie. If this is your first time here, you're welcome to this beautiful family. If you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome. Now this channel is everything beauty. We talk about makeup, daily and hairstyling. Now today's video is going to be on this beautiful turban that I am currently on. I want to see how to tie this turban in less than 5 minutes. If you want to know the inside tricks to make tying your turban so easy and seamless, trust me, you want to keep watching to the end. Because I'm tying this turban with a silk fabric that is less than 2 yards, I would be putting a padding. So I'm using a fabric which is just a regular sized pashmina. I'm tying that on my head, and now that I've secured it at the back, I would drag it back, just to take it back and show the hairline. Then of course I would go ahead and the two excess handles, I'll wrap that on the middle of my head, just the way you can see me wrapping it. Then I'm securing the first one, then I'm going ahead to lay the extension of the second handle on the also like that on top, and of course securing it underneath. Now going ahead to use my silk fabric. The formula for this is 50-50. So from behind I brought it forward, created 5 pleats in front, then I'm twisting it, just one single twist, more like to make it firm. So you have to be very firm in the way you handle the material from this point. So now I'm actually tucking in the right excess fabric. Just as you can see, I'm tucking it in. Now this is going to give that, add to the volume, because you need your turban to have a bit of volume. If you want more volume, you should use a longer fabric, and also make use of a bigger padding, that's a bigger fabric inside before you start tying. But for me, this is the size I wanted, and that's what exactly I went for. So I'm also tucking in the excess fabric on the other side. So you just take your time, and while you're tucking it in, you are spreading it and you are pushing the fabric, you are pushing it in as much as you can, because you don't want the fabric to just be on one line. So you want the entire gele to look full, you want the entire hair to look full, so you are tucking it in. Now that I'm done tucking, I'm pulling out the remaining parts of the fabric, because we're going to pin that middle part. So I'm pulling the right and the left side of it together, then I'm going to secure it with a pin. I'm also going to show you how I secure with a pin. So if you follow the video, you just roll the right part. Yes, you roll the right part on top of the left part, then you use your pin and you secure it. So it's me securing with the pin. You need to secure it firmly. Now that is done, I'm also going to do the other parts. So from behind, I'm pulling in the excess fabric, rolling it, and also securing it with a pin. So I'm securing it with a pin, and voila, that's the end of this turban. You see how easy it is. So I've pushed it back. I'm just going to adjust the pleats in front to ensure that it's neat and it's well aligned. But this is actually the end of this tutorial. Please do not forget to like, to share and to subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you're informed whenever new videos are dropped. So guys, this is a finished look. I'm doing 360 spin. This is what it looks like. Just take your time. It's beautiful, it's easy to tie, and it's classy. Hope you like it.